Hey guys, Glenn here again from Fieldmagic, and today I want to run you through some of the enhancements that we've been doing to our product catalog and our quoting process. Yeah, look, we've done a complete overhaul, a set of enhancements to really make the quoting and ordering process much more streamlined. So first things first, if we go to our product catalog and we have a look at our products, we can still access our products in our traditional list view, but we can also go to a folder view and we can see that we can create multi-level folder structures, and we can drag and drop the products into those folder structures. So you can see we've got our unallocated products here. We can just drag them in the top there into any of the folders. If we want to add a folder there, we might call this Earth moving. Okay, let's say we want that to be within the tool structure. We can drag that in there. Okay, and then we can drag the products in there as well. Okay, so if we go and drag that up there, yeah, we can see that that's in there as well. Okay, so this just makes it really easy to find the products when we're quoting, and kind of improving the quoting experience. I'll show you how that looks in a little bit. If we now go into one of the products, we'll see that we've actually made a number of enhancements in there as well. So we have the ability to have multiple different suppliers for supplier pricing. And this all feeds into the purchase order process. We're able to define multiple reorder levels per warehouse. Okay, so we can maintain the stock levels of each product per location and how many we want to reorder. And we can also define related products. So let's say that we had a particular product, and this is so this is assistant project manager. Let's say we had related products there, or services, and that can be either labor or parts. Okay, so we can relate those parts to that product, so that when we actually select those products within the catalog or within a quote, it'll actually suggest those options as being available. So I'll just check what I've missed here. Supplier pricing, reorder levels. Okay, so I've added a line and not populated that. Okay, so what I'm now going to do is I'm going to go and use my new quote wizard to create a quote that's going to find my existing customer and populate and suggest the matching site. Okay, I can then select which of my contacts I want to use. Okay, I can put in the summary of what that is. Okay, and I'm going to create my quotes. Okay, now I'm going to drop in assistant project manager. Okay, I think it was this one here, and that was the product that I set up the related products there. Okay, as per normal, we can obviously use our quote templates if we've created any. This is obviously demo data, so I'm going to update the unit price to something more than the cost so that we're not making a loss there. And then what you'll actually see is that we have a little add icon, and that shows me all of the products that are related to that product. So if we have common options associated with a product or service, we can quickly access them and use that to easily populate my quote. Okay, so I can obviously then populate my cover letter and attach any documents that we might want to have, and I can save and preview that from there. Okay, so that'll generate my quote document. I can obviously email that. Okay, we've also got some improvements in our email wizard where it is suggesting or listing any related contacts to the customer or site. We can obviously select our email template there, and we can also select our signature as well. Okay, so if I just drop my signature in there and use it, okay, that will drop that signature in there, and I can obviously send that as normal. Okay, once we convert that to a job, okay, that will bring everything across. Okay, and we've also made it much easier to order inventoried parts. Okay, so this is all part of the product catalog process. So if I go into my materials, I don't think I've actually got any inventoried items here. I can allocate my stock. I can create the materials from the work order. That will bring in any inventoried items, and I can order those and allocate that stock from there. Okay, so we'll cover all that in a separate video. But just to give you an idea, there's significant enhancements to the product catalog, to the folder structure, to the product options. All of those things are now available, and I think that's a good overview, and we'll cover the stock management in a separate video. Thanks very much, guys.